Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. Let's start by opening the browser, and to do it let's just tap on the Google folder right here and tap on the Chrome icon to open the Chrome browser. Once in the browser, let's tap on this icon right here, the More Options icon in the top right corner, and select History. And as you can see, here we have a browsing history, and we can remove the sites one by one by just tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or we can tap on Clear Browsing Data, right here. And in this menu we can select between Basic or Advanced, like that. Below we have Time Range, from which we want to clear the data. So let's tap right here to open the list, and we can choose between last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Let's select all time, and below we can select the types of data we want to clear. The difference between the basic one and the advanced is that you can select more types of data right here. Once you're done, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, whole history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.